Hi, the purpose of this video is to show you how to make a YouTube short just using your phone in a few minutes. When I record this video, I intended to show you the steps, so it took me 4 minutes. When you are so good at it, it could take you just 2 minutes to get it done. So it really works for people who want to post their contents, but they're really busy. And they only have scattered time, so this will really work for them. If this does not apply to you, you can skip. So this step is to add your already recorded video to YouTube. This is not for publishing, it's just for getting the buffer. So you go to your YouTube, you're going to see on the bottom, you're going to see a few buttons. In the middle, there is a button, which is a plus sign. So click this plus sign. Then you're going to see next screen. After the plus sign, you're going to see this screen. This screen gives you the option to either select more or keep current. So if you select more, you'll be able to pick the video from your phone, which is your album, and you're going to select. Normally, you just make sure the one you want is selected. You can ignore the rest. Sometimes they have a bunch of selected. You don't worry about that. And this, in case if you click the keep current selections, you're going to see those already selected previously from this step. And so if you already selected from, like, maybe you tried this and it didn't work and you came to here again, you can just do keep current, so it will be there. So after you added it, click, there's a down button, click that down button and you'll be going back to YouTube. So last step, you added the video to the buffer. This time you need to add it to the short you're going to make. So click add. So now your video is already being added to the short that you're trying to post. And you have the option of trim either at the beginning of the video or the end of the video. After you're happy with it, just click done. Now you have completed step 1 to add your video. Now if you want to add the text overlay, you can click the letter A and type in your text. You can choose different color, different font of the text you want to be, and just click elsewhere when you're done with that. You can also adjust the size of the text, move it around, trash it. So this step is for you to add the text overlay. You can also adjust the one you want to show the text overlay. I'm going to show you the next one. On the bottom, there is a menu called a timeline. Click on that. You're going to see the text overlay you entered, and you can adjust it to where you want this one to be on the timeline of the video. You can add multiple lines of your text overlay and cascade them out the way you want they show up. So this is just about when they are going to show up, when they're going to end on that text. So after you're all satisfied with it, just finish this step. On this voiceover step, you can add your own voice to narrate your video. Click the mic and you can just start speaking. If you don't like it, there's a U-turn sign. Just go back and redo it. You can do many times. When you're done, click the X and that will be taken. You're going to hear it. You can also add sound to either pick existing artists from the whole YouTube world, or you can make your own music. You can just prompt the music. You say you want to, like I used a clear piano, like a Beethoven style, whoever the old pianist style, you can specify. The new ones, I think you cannot. It has to be old enough. So when you're done with this step, and you just click done. I think it's a check mark. You just click that check mark. So now you get to this screen. select the visibility as unlisted and click this upload, and it's going to upload your video in the category of unlisted. So there are advantages to have it unlisted. The algorithm will not read your metadata yet, so you have time during this stay in this status and to edit all the metadata you want to be. So that's a very important step to ensure your video is going to be seen, it's going to be pushed to the right audience, and to ensure your success. This step is super critical for how your short is going to be taken by the audience. The title is very important. Ask ChatGPT to give you SEO optimized, which is search engine optimized title, so that will make your video be more efficiently to be found. Description, describe what this video for. You can also ask ChatGPT to do that for you. Select audience, this is super important. Select not made for kids. Add your location, proper location is important. And if you have playlist, add your playlist. Audio contents, make it a no. Tags is just like just hashtag. You can just I don't take this too seriously. Paid promotion, pick no if nobody paid you to do this. If somebody paid you, how to disclose. So after this, and click the last one, which is the check mark, save. So this, everything you have done. You just need to foolproof watch it, just in case, to make sure everything is as expected. Then you can go back to the three dots button on there, and click edit, and edit the visibility to public. And then your video is ready. You can look for it under the public tab. That concludes the instruction for how to do it. Good luck. If you have watched this far, congratulations. Subscribe to the channel to get more information like this. Good luck.